So this US oil analysis for Wednesday, 28th of February. Now let's have a look what every prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices come down towards the 200 period average, broke above the 62.54, tested 63.05, sold off, retested the 62.54, briefly traded below it before we saw the strong buy side momentum taking us above the 63.05. We've entered a period of consolidation before we had another test. Well, before we had a test of 63.76, brief pullback down towards that 63.05 before we had a move up to test that 64 level. Now in around 64 we've had a breakdown in prices, a break beneath this 63.76, and we've now had a break of 63.05, and price are currently in around the 62.54. If we're able to hold 62.54, we'll be looking for price head up towards that 63.05 to see whether we do see a breakdown from there, possibly bring us beneath this 62.54. If however we're able to successfully navigate above the 63.05, we'll be looking for price head back up towards our 63.76, possibly beyond the 63.76 level. We are looking for price head up towards our 64.76, and beyond there 65.60. If however we do see a breakdown in prices from where we are at present and we're not able to hold the 62.54, we'll look to see how prices react in around the 200 period moving average, sitting just slightly below. Let's just have a look where our 200 period moving average is. Let's bear with me a second here. So we've got the 200 period moving average sitting at 62.28, and we've got the 400 period average sitting at 61.80. Now if we do see the breakdown beneath where we are at present, again we're looking to see if the dynamic levels do hold. If we do see a successful break from there, we're looking for price head down towards our 61.48, a major level marked out here in red where we could potentially see a bounce up back up towards our 62.54. If however we don't find a buy side momentum coming back into the market from 61.48, we'll be looking for prices head down towards that $60 a barrel level, or the $60.25 a barrel level. In around these two levels is pretty much where we'd expect the, if we do see the continued breakdown in oil, we would ultimately expect to see oil, but we do have quite a few levels before we get down towards that 60.25 level. Now let's just have a look at the daily time frame. So if we get the scaling correct, and as we can see here on this daily time frame, we've had this pretty sizable recovery here after this brief sell-off, and we've had a strong run up. So we saw prices come down, and we do appear to be putting in a bit of a, it's a little too early to say, but we could potentially be putting in a lower high. So we've got our highs there, potentially lower high, and could see prices head down on the US. See prices hit down on US oil. So we've had this move upwards. We've had a sizable bearish candle, and we do look poised for further downside continuation, which would be somewhat counter to this overall trend and counter to this most recent trend. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.